Reading Pandas by Mamta Siroya, Phonics and an Early Literacy Program.
Hi, welcome back. This is Mamta Siroya here. I'm the founder of Reading Pandas, a Phonics and an Early Literacy Program. Now today what I'm going to teach you is how to read CVC words with the vowel U. Now before we get on to reading, let's see who's here today. It's Betty. Hi Betty, the whoopee. Hi Betty, do you know how to read CVC words?
Yes, I know them. They are caramel, worms and candy words.
Caramel, worm and candy words?
Yes.
No, you don't know how to read your CVC words. I want you to learn them today in my class.
Alright, see you there.
Now before we begin our tutorial here, let me talk a little bit about CVC words. Generally, when we teach CVC words in three isolated phonemes, for example, p, a, n, very often we see students, they just freeze or they just get stuck because they are unable to string all these three phonemes together to read the word as pan, and they might land up reading it as pat or pen or maybe just some, completely different word. So today the technique that I'm going to talk about or I'm going to teach is called Successive Blending, which is very effective in establishing better reading fluency as it reduces the burden on the child's short-term memory. So here I'm going to teach you how to read all the CVC words in the vowel U segment. Now before we proceed, let us revise one more time that the short vowel sound for U is as in you're holding an umbrella. So now let's begin. So the technique here is to blend in the consonant and the vowel together first. For example, b, a, b, g, a, g, n, a, n, s, a, s, r, a, r, and f, a, f. So here we have learned how to blend in the first consonant and then the vowel. Now let's get in the last sound. B, n, bun. G, n, gun. N, n, none. S, n, sun. R, n, run. And the last one we have is f, n, fun. That was very good blending. And now let's move on to the next set of words here. So now let's proceed, and don't forget the short vowel sound for U is a, and let's blend in the consonant and the vowel first. G, ma, s, and h. That was very, very well done. And now let's get in the last sound. G, m, gum. Ma, m, mom. S, m, some. And h, m, hum. That was very good reading, children. And now let's move on to the next set of words. So let's revise our consonant and vowel blending one more time. H, R, J, B, D, D, M, and P. And now peekaboo. What's the last sound? Can you guess? H, G, hug. So G was our last sound here. R, G, rug. J, G, jug. B, G, bug. T, G, dog. D, G, dog. M, G, mug. And P, G, pug. That is fantastic blending, children. And now let's move on to the next segment of words. Hope you are getting better with blending. T, S, H, and R. And now let's get in the last sound. T, P, tub. S, P, sub. H, B, hub. And then we have R, B, rub. Now let's move on to the next set of words. Let's revise our blending one more time. H, N, K, B, and J. Once you have revised these, now let's blend in the last sound. H, T, hut. N, T, nut. B, T, butt. J, T, jut. And then we have K, T, cut. Very well done, children. And now let's move on to the last set of words in UCVC. Let's proceed to the final set of words here. Let's revise our blending one last time. B and ma. And now, peekaboo, we have the last sound. B, d, bud. And the last one for today is m, d, mud. Very good. I'm sure Betty and all of you have learned how to read your CVC words with the vowel U. If you have found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. I've also added tutorials for CVC words with other vowels. Please check the link which is mentioned in the description below. And thank you so much for watching in, and see you soon there.